Here's a passenger. See that?
Yeah.
That's something I've never seen.
We've already got big shots happening out here in the youth class. Three of them coming together down on the left side. On the right side, number 20, well, now in the middle, number 23, that's Kaylee Adams. 227, McCoy Cook. The number 4 Superman car of Trenton Haru.
They both have faster. 227 does too.
Gonna see how that's gonna pan out. First, second, third.
That's how I'm paying you back.
227 circling around. McCoy Cook. Remember, McCoy Cook is 12 years old. Can hardly see over the steering wheel like your great-grandmother.
I wonder if they're certain age, below a certain age, they have to have someone with them in their seat to make sure they're doing it right. I wonder if that's what it is.
Yeah.
We're down to the final 2 already in the youth class. 227 Cook. Number 4, Haru. There's Cook. See, you want to shoot for those front wheels. Take out their legs. They can't move, you know. Cook is going to retreat to the left side. Here's Trent and Haroon and the number 4 trying to make it across the track. A little crunch time.
I think it's a radiator.
Oh, we got pretty quiet over here. No, they ain't still. Oh, catch him if you can. Watch the driver's shot. Watch the driver's shot.
That's a radiator. We're about to see a fire soon.
Over on the right side.
Okay, fire wires are shown, like a radiator fluid in the wires.
There's a nice shot. Now you got a little junk in your trunk. Trenton Haroon's got a little movement going on. I thought he was stationary. He's moving.